Hello everyone, I'm here with Abigail.
Hello.
And we're going to teach you how to make a yoga mat spray to clean your yoga mat after you're done using it. It's very simple and there's only 5 ingredients. So first we're going to add the water. And I'll post the recipe below this video. And then the second ingredient is witch hazel, or you can use white vinegar if you choose. And then we're going to add 5 drops of lavender. And then we'll add 3 drops of tea tree oil. And then 5 drops of On Guard. And this is a simple recipe. I would do a test patch on your yoga mat just to be sure it doesn't have any effects on your material. Different yoga mats are made of different things, but this is the simple recipe that we use to clean our yoga mat. And we do bedtime yoga, and we use this book, but there's tons of books and resources out there and different websites and stuff you can check out. But it's easy, it's nice and healthy, and I just wanted to share this for the new year. So I hope you're having a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.
Bye.